how are you? All right, let me just apply my wig and put this joint on. Yes, bitch. Wait, did you say it? What was that? So now I have my Pump It Up spritz here, and I'm going to just spritz my lace down. Hold your head back, sis, just a little bit. Alright, and then I'm just going to start pressing it down onto my head. This is really just a temporary hold, like one day. Like, you cannot go weeks with this. I'm gonna take a little bit of this edge control and just slick this part down. So now I'm just slicking my baby hairs down, and while it's drying, you want to like press it down even more because that's when the spritz starts getting tacky. So now I want to make a part, so I'm going to put the part like right here. Okay, so now I am about to straighten my hair. I'm just gonna skip through this because I mean I'm just gonna be straightening my hair. Like, that's pretty boring to watch. So yeah, I'm just gonna straighten my hair and I'll come back to you guys. Alright, so I straightened my hair and now I'm just taking some of my concealer and I'm just gonna find my part for real. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? Alright, so now I'm gonna tweeze the part like right here, especially right here. I want this to look as natural as possible. So now I am going to take my No Filter setting powder and I'm going to put this right on top. So I'm gonna take some of this hairspray. This is the Sebastian Sharp Zero Gravity hairspray, and I'm gonna just spray right on the part and my hairline. Then I'm gonna take the Pump It Up Spritz spray and spray this right here so that it can stay like, you know, like that little oomph. I like that right there. Gives it some body. And I'm gonna spray right here as well, because I want that to lay down. So I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna brush this down. And then I'm going to brush this up and over. Okay. It looks good, it looks good. First I was a little iffy about it. Yeah, I was like, I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna look, but it looks good. Okay, so my hair is pretty much done. All I have to do now is this. So I'm gonna tie my hair up and then I'm gonna get started with my makeup, which I feel like I need right now. Like, usually I don't feel like I need makeup, but today I was like, oh, I need a little bit. I need a little bit. Yay! Finally done my hair. Finally. I love doing my hair because it makes me feel like a bad bitch, but then I don't because it takes forever. Yeah. So I'm going to do my face now. Holla freaking Luya. Don't pay attention to this nail. I feel like my middle finger always breaks first whenever I have my nails long. Like, it just Just always seems to happen. I don't know why. So today I'm going to take the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and then I'm also going to prime with the Glitter Primer by NYX. I'm going to put this, of course, in my creasing areas of my smile lines and my eyes, my forehead, stuff like that, those type of places. If you want to see like my whole video on how to avoid creasing, I will link it up in the card. But now I'm just going to take this Bobbi Brown. Y'all know she is my freaking best friend, my BFF for life. So my face is kind of breaking out right now, so I'm gonna go in with my Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This is in the color T60, and I need coverage. Like, my face breaking out right here, it's breaking out right all on my chin. Like, bruh, hormones, they're crazy. Why do we have to have them? I'm using a brush, and then I'm gonna go in and use like a foundation sponge. I'm gonna go in with my Diamond Baby. I need the most coverage, so I'm gonna go in with this first, and then I'm gonna go in with my sponge. So I'm gonna take some of my NARS Radiant Creamy Soft Matte. I just added a whole bunch of words, but this is Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And I'm going to put this under my eyes and like highlight with this concealer today. I used to love using this concealer. Like, just look at it. It just looks so nice. But it's expensive. Like, sis. You know, I can't be using you all the time because I need to conserve you. Use you when I need you. But okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and blend this bad boy out. Oh my gosh, this concealer, oh my gosh, like when y'all see how it looks under my eyes, I will look so awake. Alright, so I'm going to cream contour with my Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm going to put some dots everywhere where I want to contour. See, this stuff is just so beautiful. Like, I love the way it just blends out into my skin so effortlessly. Don't gotta do too much, just boop boop, and you're good. Do a little circular action, little circular motion action going on, and you're good. So now let's snatch this nose, because if you are a pretty girl, you have to have like a snatched face, like just bone structure, okay? Bone structure, but not too harsh where you just see like boom. Oh, we know that's contour. You want it to be like a shadow, like a nice cute shadow. So we're just slimming our face out. Okay, so now I'm going to blend out my concealer like under my eyes, my forehead, and my nose, and I'm going to apply my setting powder. And today I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Baking Powder in Kunafa. I'm going to bring it up on my nose just a little bit to snatch it even more. You know, why not? Okay, so I kind of had a heavy hand with the setting powder, so I'm going to wipe it off. But I usually just wipe it off right after I put it on, so I put a lot on today. All right. We got this, baby. Oh my gosh. I got this like 2 weeks ago. I used it once, and let me tell you right now, the pigmentation is amazing. She is so pretty. Like, I love these colors. These are my colors. Now, the purples aren't really my colors, aren't really my thing, but they're still pretty. So I'm gonna take this palette today. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna create like a rosy gold look. So I feel like I haven't done like a bomb rose gold, like pretty bad bitch, I'm a baddie look in a minute. So I'm going to give that in this video, okay? Okay, so I'm going to take the Morphe M505 brush, and I'm going to take Incense and Eccentric. And I'm going to use this as my transition color.
I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer.
Alright, and then you guys know I like to just go over here and wisp it out a little bit. Just a tad. I'm going to take those same colors and I'm going to put this under my eye. I always get like eyeshadow in my contacts and then it just irritates me for the whole day. And I'll be ready to take my makeup off. But not today. I'm gonna make sure that doesn't happen. I'm gonna take some of Passion. I'm gonna just put this on the outer corner. I feel like it's gonna make it a little bit more intense. And then when I put that rose gold on top, it's just gonna be like, ooh, girl, your eyes, they don't lie. Now I'm gonna take my Pluise face base. I always say face base. Eyeshadow base, eyeshadow base, eyeshadow base. Pluise eyeshadow base. I'm gonna take a little bit and just carve out a crease. So for the outer corner, I'm just gonna take some more Passion and blend that right on the outer corner. Alright, I'm gonna take rose gold and I'm gonna put this right on top of there. This color is so daggone pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit, like a little tad of Wild Child, just to make it a little bit more pink. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to line my eyes with this Urban Decay Razor Sharp liquid liner. This is in Perversion. I am struggling. I haven't done a wing in like months. I've just been lining my eyes. This part right here is gonna set it off, okay? I'm gonna add some liner in my waterline, girl, and smoke it out a little bit. Yes. Now to smoke it out, I'm gonna take a little bit of Drama and Passion, and I'm going to just smoke out the outer corner. So I'm just applying some mascara because after this, I'm going to apply my lashes. These are Naturally Sunny lashes. Yes, yes. So I'm gonna highlight my face. I'm gonna take the ABH and Amrezy highlighter. This is like one of my favorite highlighters. And I'm just gonna highlight this face up. Look at my nose. Look at my daggone nose. Like this look cut on. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't even see it. Okay, like it's snatched. Like it's giving me Bollywood. Like this, I think it's the color too. Like it's a nice little brown. I'm ugly. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna contour a little bit more because I feel like I need to. This look is just giving me so much life right now. Oh yeah, I wanted to use a blush today. Let me do that. Oh, excuse me. So it's this one, which is Rosé. I think that's how you say it, because it got that little thingy over top of the E. And then this one is Peach. So I think I'm gonna add Rosé to my face. Ew. And I never add blush, so y'all better be proud of me because that's what I do. That's what I do. The blush just added like a little, like, oh, I'm here. Like, hi, how are you? Oh my gosh, nice to meet you. Like, I'm gonna add some gloss, but first I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX. This is the Suede lip liner, and I believe this is in Downtown Beauty. It kind of, you know, it got smaller, but this is Downtown Beauty because this is the one that I really like. Okay, I'm gonna add Butterscotch, which is a lip gloss by Anastasia. Yep, this is cute. I'm gonna just add some clear gloss on top of this because y'all know I love a good gloss, like real gloss. So this is just gonna add it and take it to the next level. I'm gonna use this Covergirl Look Lockup. I totally had it like right here, but Covergirl Look Lockup. And I'm gonna spray my face with this, but I'm gonna cover my eyes. You thought we were done, but we're not done yet. So I'm just gonna add some little freckles because you guys see like I have some little pimples. So I'm just gonna disguise those real quick and put it as freckles. Alright, you all, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring, because I always like to inspire you guys. But if you guys have any video suggestions, please comment them down below. I'm always looking for new like video things to do, like creative things to do on my channel. If you just have suggestions about what I should do on my channel, let me know in the comment section below. I may consider it if I feel that I can do it, you know what I mean? Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you're already here. You might as well just go ahead and subscribe now. I would love to have you a part of my glow gang. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.